While the Northern Territory government has banned all non-essential travel to remote Indigenous communities. Matt Cunningham joins me now live from Darwin. Matt, what's the likelihood the virus itself will spread to these areas?
Well, authorities won't say for sure, Danica. They have said that it's likely, if not inevitable, that we will see more cases of coronavirus in the Northern Territory. At the moment, just one confirmed positive case here in the NT. But of course, their greatest fear is that the virus does make it into those remote communities where people already have much higher instances of chronic health conditions, including rheumatic heart disease and diabetes. But here's the Chief Minister, Michael Gunner, explaining what the government is now planning to do.
Travel to a remote community must be for an essential service or for the supply and maintenance of essential goods and services. This decision will be enforced in partnership with the land councils under the Aboriginal Land Act.
Now, Danica, of course, many of the people who will still be going into those remote communities will be those essential health workers in particular. Now, there have been some calls for those health workers to all be screened before they head to a remote Indigenous community. We did hear this morning, though, from Di Stevens, the Deputy Chief Health Officer. She said that that's just not possible or practical and won't be happening.
We will not be stopping those people from going into communities. There are no ways in which we can determine whether somebody will develop COVID-19 in that 14-day quarantine period. So you may test negative today if you're asymptomatic and then go out to the community and develop the disease in the next 2 or 3 days.
So at this stage in the Northern Territory, Danica, just the one case of coronavirus. That is a 52-year-old man who flew in from Sydney, who is in isolation at the Royal Darwin Hospital. But as we've heard there from the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Health Officer, authorities here doing everything they can to try to stop the coronavirus getting into those remote Indigenous communities.
Absolutely. Matt, thank you for the update.